Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. This is another home that we landscaped a few years ago. We put in every plant, every tree, the sod, we leveled the yard. This is actually on the bay. The house is on Snell Island in St. Pete. You see royal palms, foxtail palms, Sylvester palms. There were some Chinese fan palms already in the yard. Those triple trunk Chinese fan palms belong to the next door neighbor. But look at this, those big bougainvilleas right there in the front with century plants on either side of them. What a beautiful job. Our architect on this was Jim Towery out of Sarasota, and he designed the plan and we performed the work at the Tree Planters. Give us a call if this is something you are interested in, having us do a job like this for you. We'd be more than happy to help you.